All right, so another story I like to tell is what I call the doctor stories. So I go to the doctor one time, and this is after I had some blood work or whatever. So now the doctor's ready to review that stuff. So doctor sits in front of me, he's looking at my file. He goes, "Okay, so this looks good. This looks really good. I'm a little concerned about this part." And I'm sitting like, oh my God, like what are you concerned about? And so the doctor's going to tell me, okay, so I think you have this possible issue, and basically you could treat or you could not treat. It's up to you. What do you want to do? And I'm sitting like, what? Like, I don't know. Like, why would I know that? You're the doctor. You tell me what I should do. I came to you for advice. I don't want my doctor asking me what I want to do. I want my doctor to tell me. So think about this. What would I rather have? The doctor that says, hey, you could do this or you could do that? No, I want my doctor to tell me exactly what to do. So I want my doctor to say, listen, you have this issue. Here's what I think it is. Here's what we're going to do. I'm going to prescribe 20 milligrams of this pill. You're going to take it twice a day for the next 3 weeks. You're going to go get your blood checked. A week after that, I'm going to have the results. You're going to come back. We're going to sit down and we're going to talk about it. And we're going to see if it goes this way, we're going to do this. If it goes that way, we're going to do that. That's the kind of doctor I want. I'm sure that's the kind of doctor you want as well. So think about that when you're going through a quote with somebody and you start asking the customer, do you want full coverage? Do you want liability? What do you want for liability insurance? How much coverage? Do you have MedPay? Do you want uninsured motorists? Do you have, what are your deductibles? You are the professional. You should be telling these people what they should be doing. You should be asking a customer who's not even insurance licensed what they want to do for certain things. So you are the professional, and believe it or not, you actually have that. When you answer the phone and you tell them who you work with, you automatically have the professional working for you. So your job is just to match that and tell these people. So a lot of times there's young people working in this business. There might be 22 years old, something like that, and they're thinking, man, I'm supposed to tell this 45-year-old what kind of coverage he should have. Yeah, that's exactly what you're supposed to do. So even though they're 45 and they've been having insurance for a long time, they didn't go to school for this, they don't know as much as you do about insurance. I'm 99% sure that you know way more about insurance than this person does, and you should absolutely take that lead. Tell this person, listen, you got a 2005 car, I'm going to do liability for that because there's no way that car is going to be valuable enough to carry comprehensive and collision on. Or listen, sir, you own your home, you need to have 100, 300 on this coverage because you have assets you need to protect. You tell these people and you talk confidently like that. That's what people want. They want somebody to tell them. Can you imagine some guy with like 3 Mercedes and owns 2 homes and all that, and you're asking, well, what do you want for coverage? Well, that's what you are for. You are the professional. You are the expert. You work for that big company that advertises. You need to be telling these people what they should do. If you don't know what coverage is, you should be putting them on hold and talking to your manager or boss or whatever and figuring that out. But remember, you're the professional. You should be telling people what they need to be doing.